years after Hurricane Katrina.
3 years later.
3 years after Hurricane Katrina.
Look around us. It's hard to believe it's been nearly 3 years since Hurricane Katrina hit New Orleans and the Gulf Coast. The street we're standing on had water like up to here.
3 years after Hurricane Katrina, there's still areas just like this trying to rebuild.
And it's not just the hurricane and flooding that makes citizens vulnerable. Often unscrupulous contractors, worker and supply shortages, and even insurance and government loopholes keep people from getting their lives back together.
Society is quick to tell you that one person can't make a difference, but it's not true. When we brought our youth group down here in April, we were prepared to do some work, but we had no idea the amount of devastation we would see.
If I myself away, if I'm crying, my memory will fade. If I let you slip away from this bed, it happens time and again.
So what can you do? I guess after seeing all the destruction down here, my question would be, what can't you do? We need volunteer workers. We need your prayers. And we need your funding. This August 24th, within a week of the 3rd anniversary of Hurricane Katrina, we're calling on LCMS congregations to support what we're calling Restoration Sunday.
We're asking that all congregations hold a special door offering to help raise funds to assist the volunteer camps.
To see my soul or catch my fall, the shadows know it all.
Hi, this is Curtis Smith with Recovery Assistance here in New Orleans, helping restore faith, home, and community to victims of Katrina. Thanks for all your help in our ministry.
If I